Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix this site cannot be reached using Facebook. So go to your computer search bar, search here control panel. Now go for open. Wait for a second. Now go for network and sharing center. Now go for your connection, using connection here. Go for properties. Okay. Now you have to check it out or just turn it off and go for which is Microsoft Network Adapter Multiplexor protocol. You have to just turn it off and go for OK, then close. So now your problem will be solved. So that's it. This is the easiest way that you can fix this site cannot be reached on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xiroosft. Xiroosft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xiroosft today. For more details, check the description box.